Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. You've got a shared library in Microsoft SharePoint. Today I'm going to show you how to delete it if the need is there. So without further ado, let's climb straight in. So right here in OneDrive, on your left hand side you will see browse by files, and there's a couple in quick access here, but we're going to just click on more places and it'll bring up this page, and we're going to just create a shared library. Now let's just give it a random name over here. So let's just go shared 01. It'll verify and tell you if that name is available. So it'll take a few seconds, and then over here under the members section you can go ahead and you can add members in here. So once you've done so, you can go and click on create at the bottom of this window, and you'll see your shared library right over here. Now from here you're going to go and click on go to site, and this will redirect you to your SharePoint site. And what you're going to do from here, let's just close this. You're going to go to the top right hand side and you will see the settings, the gear icon. From here you are going down and you're going to look for site information. Now once you open site information, right at the bottom here there is a delete site. If you click on this, it'll prompt you. It says you're about to delete, and it gives you the shared library name over here. You're going to just say yes, delete this group, and we're going to click on delete, and this shared library has now been deleted.